Hey friends, I'm back again, and this time I'm serving up cinnamon roll bread pudding. Sounds so good. First, you'll see that I'm cutting up Cholula loaf bread. If your store doesn't have Cholula, you can also use brioche bread. Just cut them in squares and place them in a bowl. Once you do that, place the bowl to the side, and let's get to making the custard. To make the custard, you're going to need eggs, and you're going to whisk the eggs really well. Then you're going to add heavy whipping cream and milk. Oops, sorry, I hit the camera. And then I'm going to go in with my cup of brown sugar. Got a little bit too much in this bowl. It's a little small, so I had to go swap out the bowls. Okay, now I'm back. Now I can add in my sugar, my melted butter, my vanilla extract, nutmeg, and salt. And blend all of that together. Once blended, I'm going to pull out my bread again and pour it over the bread. Make sure you have gloves on because this part is messy. Alright, once you do that, set it to the side. And now I'm going to make my cinnamon swirl. Melt some butter, add some brown sugar and cinnamon, and stir. Once that's complete, I'm coating my pan with some baker's joy. And now I'm going to start my layering. Make as many layers as you can and cover each layer with swirl. Once it's ready, place some Reynolds wrap over your bread pudding and place it in the oven 350 degrees for 30 minutes covered and 20 to 30 minutes uncovered. So while that's baking, I'm going to make my icing. I'm going to need some cream cheese and beat that until it's smooth. And once that's smooth, I'm going to add some powdered sugar, some heavy whipping cream, some vanilla extract, and salt. Once your bread pudding is out of the oven and it's warm, you're going to drizzle your icing over the bread pudding. And enjoy. After that, that's it. Y'all, this is so good. Just cut it in little squares, and serve. Shout out to Mr. Make It Happen. I got this recipe from his page. Follow me for more content and click the like button.